Hi, my name is Rayan James, and this is my beautiful wife, Angelica James, and we are RAJ Kitchen and Bath. That we're not just a cabinet company. I mean, if you really go to our website, you will see some of the amazing work that we do, and everybody, will see that we do great work. But we really take into account the way the person lives. We really take that literal.
Literally, yes.
We go into your home, we look at your family, how much kids you have. I mean, how you have dogs, you have cats. Where do they come and eat in the morning? We look at every details of your life. And then we look at the home style. We look at the way the house looks.
Which is quite important.
It is important. And how we can tie that new design into that space without really creating, this kind of unbalanced design. And so our motto says more than just design, it's a lifestyle. It's really, for us, it's a lifestyle. Because every kitchen is wrapped really around you as a family. So we take the time out to listen to you, to hear you, to understand what you want. At the same time, take what you want, look at where you are, and find a way to kind of make that work. So all of our designs, they're really bold, they're forward thinking, but it's because we want to go beyond the regular norm of just a kitchen design, and make that space really yours.
Or just throwing some boxes together and then you just plaster them together and voila!
And call it kitchen.
Here's a kitchen. so yeah. We tend to go a little out of the box, like we normally say, designing the kitchen and the bathroom as well. Because the trend these days, a bathroom is not just a bathroom like years ago. A bathroom is just another space as important.
But for me, take a shower in the morning.
Well, for you, but maybe for others, many others,
You want a tub, you want to lay down, you watch a TV. Me, 2 minutes, done, let's go.
Well, I'm sure many of your clients normally says, James, this bathroom got to be the bathroom of the century. So we have, on a serious note, we have experienced a lot of clients who come and says, we have this space, whether it's an existing space for the bathroom or it's a space that they want us to recreate, or they just don't want a regular bathroom.
Right.
Same so for the kitchen. So we take it a bit higher than the normal design. So
our services include really designing the kitchen, and what we do is we supply all the cabinets.
We also provide project management services. Now this is equally important as designing a kitchen, because if the kitchen is not installed the way it was designed, then that was all for naught. So
and the quality of the finish too, the way the joints are, the way the cabinets are. Not all installers are created equal, but you might know that.
That's true. That's true.
So project management is really key part of what we do, making sure that everything you see on our website, that it gets done. One of the things that we also do is consultation. For the people who are out there, for the persons of the clients who are just not really quite sure what you want to do, where you want to go, we kind of come in. Some clients have their drawings already, but not quite sure if that will work, and because they already have the crew ready to go, but the design is something just not right. Or if you don't even have a drawing, you're not even quite sure whether or not what to do with the space, we come in and we consult with you as well, making sure that your space that you're going to do can accomplish what it's supposed to accomplish. I mean, so we can't do work for everybody because we're not the most expensive, we're not the least expensive either. But as much as we can help to change
that family's life by providing that dream kitchen, that dream bathroom for that family. We're more than willing, and we're more than happy to be part of that process.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel right here at the bottom of the screen.
Also remember to like us on Facebook.
Follow us on Instagram.
Check us out on House.
And on Google+.
And also our website.
www.rajkitchenandbath.com.
Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.